Hello, hope you're doing good. In this video, I will be showing you how to make a typing text video in Canva. The first thing you want to do when on Canva, you're going to select videos below the search bar. Then from there, you can decide the type of video you would like to create, whether it is a TikTok video, an Instagram reel, or a Facebook video, or just a general 1920 by 1080px video. After selecting the dimension that you would like to use, from here, you can see an example right here. You can quickly add a photo as a background. Then from there, you can select any one of the text styles by tapping on text from the left-hand menu option. Then let's say, for example, I were to select this text box and I would type in welcome, just for example's sake. After doing that, to add the typing effect, you'll first select the entire text box. Then you're going to tap on animate from the top menu option. After tapping on animate, you're going to scroll down, and right where you see writing, you're going to see typewriter. You can select that and you can see it right there, and you can also increase the speed if you're using the Canva Pro plan. And you can choose whether on exit or on entry. As you can see there, you have two different options, so you can do that or you can select both, as you can see right there. And another thing that you can also do, let's say you have more than one text boxes on one clip. So to edit this, all you need to do now, you'll simply tap on the file right here at the bottom of the page. After you have done that, you're going to tap on position. Once you have tapped on position, you can see the first text right here. Once you have tapped on the text box, you could tap on the three dots. Then from there, you'll tap on show timing. And let's say, for example, I want the first text welcome to be typed out in the first 2 seconds. So I'll select 2 seconds right here. Then I'm going to be adding another text box. So I will go over to the left-hand menu option, tap on text once more, and I'm going to tap on add a heading. And again, I'm going to type in welcome to my video. Then from here, you can edit the text. So you can do that right there. You can change the font style if you want by tapping on Canva Sans. You can also add color behind the text. So let's say, for example, you'd like to add color behind the text. You can tap on effects. Then after tapping on effects, you'll tap on background, and you can see a background color has now been added. Now that I've done that, on the dashboard right here, you're going to pull to my video, and remember that we had stopped the other one at 2 seconds. So we are going to be adding this one at the 3-second mark right there. Now, if I should carry back the cursor to the front part of the video on the timeline, then tap on play, you'll see welcome to my video, as you can see right there. Now, to add the typing effect to this section, again, you're going to select the entire text box, then tap on animate, and from here, you're going to scroll down and you would select typewriter once more. Now that I've done that, if I were to carry back the cursor on the timeline, tap on play, you can see right there, welcome to my video. And that's it. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.